Hi, it's Leanne Dalton again for today's video clip. Max is now 8 weeks old, so 8 weeks on into being a mummy, I'm starting to get used to things a little bit. Still getting up in the night twice, which is really hard still. I'm getting really tired, but it's getting easier for us all now. Routine-wise, getting up in the night just means that I'm sort of struggling a little bit to kind of look after myself as much as I want to. It's kind of grabbing a bath and doing my hair as quick as I can when I've got little, and so I'm juggling that round, but it's all fine, we can get there. Yesterday went to my first baby class, which was really good. Met lots of other mummies, and there was about 10 of us all there with little ones, so it was nice to do a bit of a comparison and see how everybody else is going on, which was really reassuring that it's not just me who's finding that things are exactly the same. Due to go again next week. So it'll be, again, I can learn lots of new tips about looking after myself, looking after Max, and how things can go from there. Let me think. Weather's changing a bit now, so I'm finding that my skin's going drier because there's not as much sunshine about. And I'm probably going to have to start putting a bit more moisturiser on because I'm feeling a little bit scaly. But we'll keep on top of things and I'll be in touch soon. Thank you.